So this is the 72 gallon. I just got this thing. Kind of excited. It got delivered this morning, literally at 6:25 a.m. They were spot on with their delivery. I got it from Amazon. It's a Landon rimless tank, 72 gallons. I got it off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Just wanted to do a quick video. You want to keep progress, hopefully. Here we go. We'll see. I gotta cover this. I want to cover this on the back side. And then flip it around. And just slowly add. Still gotta get a light for it too. Flow project, part 1.